Hi everyone, so my second RocksBox for this month got here and I wanted to share with you guys what I got, so let's take a look. I always love looking at this little box, it's so cute. So this little booklet just goes over the 3 pieces of jewelry that I'm getting and the prices. I love the packaging, it just reminds me of getting a gift. So here are the 3 little bags and let's take a look inside. So here is the first little bag. This is just a RocksBox bag. Here is the first piece of jewelry. This is a beautiful gold cuff. It's a little heavy. I don't think I'm going to keep it, but it is pretty. Next up is another RocksBox bag. Let's look inside. This is such a beautiful necklace. It's very dainty and I love the little heart and the diamonds. So this is the last and final bag. Let's see what comes inside. So here is the bracelet. I am loving that purple. It's simple yet different. I love the way you can close it. I like this a lot. In the description box is a link so that you guys can get a month for free of RocksBox. Feel free to use it if you like. And that's about it. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.